Hello, class. So, good morning or good afternoon or whatever time of the day you are watching this. We start. My name is Dr. Ken Kobuga. I'll be taking you Information Technology 2 for this trimester. And what I try to do is to create very short videos that you can watch and then at your own pace slow down or speed it up to see how you can understand the course. I think that this may be an easier option for you than a Zoom class. Just so we are on the same level, the content of this course may be too easy for some, it may be too hard for some, but the basic aim is that at the end of the day we all get to the same level. So even for those who find this very easy, don't be surprised you're going to find something new to learn in the course of this. There are going to be new terms that you didn't know of. There are going to be things that you probably did not understand previously. So I urge you all to pay attention and just take note that we're going to be doing a number of quizzes along the line to be sure we are all following. Yes, so welcome to us. First things first, we're talking technology, so let's start with what's a computer. Now, as you would find here, and for whatever definition you'd already know of, there are four key things you need to take note of when you are defining what a computer is. You need to talk of the fact that it is an electronic device that is capable of receiving input, storing data, processing the stored data or whatever or instructions are. So this is called processing, and then capable of producing output. So actually we're talking five things. I did not highlight the input. So electronic, input, storage, processing, output. You can mix this in any other way and you would have had a complete definition of what a computer is. Just take note that what this means is that a digital watch, a calculator, a television, these are all computers. Take the television for example. Yes, it's an electronic device. A television can receive input because you press things either on your remote control or you press directly on it to instruct it to do something, either to change volume or to change a channel or to even increase the brightness or whatever. Yes, that is input. And yes, the television can store. You have memory on the television. For example, channel 1 means maybe GTV, channel 2 Metro, channel 3 TV3, and so on. Or even AV1 means it should pick from your decoder, AV2 means you pick from another decoder, or HDMI means something. The very fact that you're able to change from one thing to the other and the television understands that means that something has been stored in the television. This is what we mean by storage in this case. And yes, it can process because whatever changes take place leads to the changes of some channels, and so some processing takes place. Channel 1, so it changes frequency and it switches from say GTV to Metro. So yes, some processing is taking place. I'm using very basic examples. And output, of course, for your television, whatever you sit down you are watching is the output. Now you can repeat the same thing for your digital watch, for your calculator, for your modem, for the microwave, and these are all computers because they all meet the definition. Now just take note that the output can be to another device or to human beings. There are four. Now we have defined what a computer is. Let's just go back and see. So a computer is basically, we said it was electronic, but let's see, computers have always been there, but the modern computer, we stick to the electronic computer. So on the screen you have things to just show how far we've come from pre-mechanical computers, which existed even 3000 BC, 3000 years before Christ, to 1450 years after Christ, Anno Domini, that's after the coming of Christ. Mechanical of computers, electromechanical, and then we are in the electronic age now. Just take note of these first off. I urge you to do some extra reading. I want to keep these things as short as possible. You do some extra reading or get your handout. The first one, it accepts input devices. We say input devices, or so the input is basically the process through which the computer receives data or instructions from other computers or the external environment. For example, there are computers that measure temperature. They take this from the environment. There are computers that take instructions from human beings, and so they have to take it from devices like the keyboard. You would find pictures of some of the commonest input devices on your screen now. And just to remind us that yes, there are several input devices.